Well, as you saw in my last video, I had some trouble with that black velvet, at least in the real high heat area. Maybe it was too thick, I don't know. But touched it up, got the crap off of it, touched it up with some Rust-Oleum 2000 Fahrenheit paint. And here's my little deflector thing. If you look real close, you can see that the exhaust has been etching it because there's residual sand from the sandblasting in the exhaust. So I'm real glad this is here, because otherwise it would have been just shooting straight back on my swing arm and stuff. Seems to be helping a little bit with keeping the crud off of the rims. We'll see. So anyway, I thought I'd give it a start, and I've started it several times now for just a few minutes each time, just until I see smoke coming off the paint. I feel like I've redeemed myself. Race ECM from Eric Buell Racing works great with the stock exhaust. Got a K&N filter.